Hello everyone. Our project is Entertainment Recommendation System based on emotion recognition. Our problem statement is choosing the right movie to watch or selecting a song to listen is not an easy job. We may be in a state of mind to watch or listen to something which makes us feel good, or maybe want to watch or listen something that relates to us and can connect on an emotional level. We can't just settle upon a decision by assuming what kind of emotion we are experiencing and choose something to watch or listen based on that, right? And so, this is the main reason for the creation of entertainment recommendation system based on emotion recognition, which suggests appropriate music or song to the user based on the user's current emotion.
So, our proposed solution to the problem is an entertainment recommendation system that recommends movies or music according to the genre allocated to a particular emotion of the user through real time emotion detection. To make the user's movie or music experience a better one, the major factor will be the user's current emotion, which will be recognized through an automated process. Now, I would like to explain solution architecture, or I would say system flow. First, the voice assistant will ask user to select movie or music recommendation option from the displayed window. After the selection, image of the user's face will be captured and emotion is detected with the help of dataset. On the successful recognition of the emotion, the genre will be allocated to which the emotion is associated. The emotion captured and genre allocated will be conveyed by voice assistant to the user. List of movies or music will be recommended to the users accordingly.
Let us now have a look at the future work. Our current implementation suggests the movies from IMDb since it is an open source database. In future, we can expand the range of options by giving more movie suggestions from popular streaming sites like Amazon Prime or Netflix. Also, this project can be developed into a real-time application which has its own database of all genres of movies and songs, and in this way, we can avoid performing web scraping from other sources. We will now see the demonstration of the project.
So we will be using this train emotion classifier.py to retrain the model. Now let's see how our project actually works. So initially we'll be having few voice commands, and once the voice command comes, we'll get an option. We'll be asked to choose between movies and music. If we choose movies,
Welcome to Entertainment Recommendation System based on emotion recognition. In the next window, choose what you want us to suggest between movies or music.
so we are given an option between movies and music. So first I'll be selecting movies. Since I selected movies, my movie method.
Movies will be suggested based on the emotion detected.
So movie method is executed, and now my webcam will open up and it will start the face detection and emotion recognition process. So like you can see, the highest probable emotion is displayed on top of the box, and all the probabilities are displayed alongside, and I'll be using the key S as my stopping condition here. So the highest probable emotion was neutral and it is being displayed. Now a genre will be allocated to it.
Genre allocated is thriller.
So as you can see, the genre allocated was thriller, and we passed the URL, IMDb URL, and from the IMDb URL, the web scraping process was done, and the first 10 movies along with their ratings were obtained, and they are displayed on the Tkinter window right now. So next, let's try for music now.
Songs will be played according to the emotion detected.
So music process is also the same as movies process. So again, the same face detection and the emotion recognition will happen. So let's try a different emotion right now. So happy emotion is detected.
Emotion detected is happy.
And the corresponding genre will be allocated.
Genres allocated for the detected emotion are jazz, holiday, and new age.
and each genre will have a set of songs which are already created by us, and those songs will be played to the user, like you can see right now. So user can go to the next song, pause it, he can resume it, or he can go to the previous one. So this is how the project currently works.